Fairfax County and Fairfax Connector are hosting this year's Virginia State Transit Bus and Bus Maintenance Rodeo competition here at the West Oaks Bus Garage. And this event is funded by Virginia Department of Rail and Public Transportation. Every year, transit agencies across Virginia get together and compete. It's like the Olympics for bus operators and mechanics in Virginia. This competition celebrates the best and the brightest.
There's 7 timed competitions, including a written test, the engine module that's standing behind me, door systems, HVAC, a multiplex system, a defect bus, and a brake board, so it encompasses all the different subsystems and components on the bus. It's a great networking opportunity for these technicians to not only meet the other technicians throughout the Commonwealth, but to meet the vendors who are helping us and supporting by judging these competitions. So it allows them to have resources after this. They can meet other technicians, call them, see if they've had this particular problem on a bus, and it also allows them to meet the vendors who represent the original equipment manufacturers, and they can call them if they have issues sometime in the future.
They take a lot of pride in what they do. They a lot of time out of their busy schedules, from weekends, sacrifice with their families, to make sure they're ready and prepped to do this type of rodeo, to showcase for the community that, hey, we take this job as extremely serious, we're dedicated, we're hardworking, like everyone else is out there, and we're here to help you get from A to B. So we have a serpentine course as far as how the bus maneuvers in and out through the cones. We have 2 bus stops as far as how we pick up our passengers to make sure we're getting as close as we can to the curb. We also have called a judgment stop. It's one of the most critical ones. It's where the bus comes from 20 miles an hour, comes to a complete stop with a cone right in front of them. They can't really see the cone, but they know it's there. And so therefore, you have to get as close as you can to that cone without striking the cone.
All our participants have a great sense of pride in what they do, and winning a competition like this certainly brings a great source of success, not to mention bragging rights. For more information, just visit our website, www.fairfaxcounty.gov/connector.